Happy Labor Day, y'all. Hope you've had an amazing day here. Wanted to make this video. I had a couple questions from some people on how to actually utilize the mural board for all of the videos that I've created here for everyone. All the color coordination here, blue is in marketing, green is sales, yellow is operations. And essentially the main goal here was to tie in business entirely for all the different elements for floor coating, and as well take all the feedback that you guys give me from the videos to create even more videos and find out how every piece of the puzzle really fits into itself. So essentially you can utilize Miro here with the link on your phone or as well onto the computer. I like it on the computer quite a bit. And then all you have to do is click here and then you'll be right into the classroom module that it is for there onto it. As we get more discussions inside of the chat and everything, by the way, 52 members in here now. Welcome aboard, everyone. Had, I think, 30 yesterday, and we're coming up on 100. So looking forward to getting feedback as well from all of you. But essentially, whenever you're there, then you can go and link back into the classroom to be able to find all of the videos there and then be able to see all of the offline videos there in one place. And then just go back here, pop into another video if you need one. Essentially, try to focus on one or two main lead generation techniques at a time and then go down the funnel over time, essentially. Just like you would want your customers to do, for instance, whenever they become a lead, then into qualifying calls, into any kind of pipeline follow-up sequencing after the job is completed, any videos on tutorials for prep, base coat, scraping, top coat, invoicing, review generation. You guys kind of get the gist. But anything that you have a question on and it does not have a video currently for it, just make a post inside of the community here and then I'll be sure to get a video out for you as well. Hope you all have a great day. Peace.